David Dungay! Justice today for David Dungay!
I'd like to say something to all your media. You've been all supportive all these last 2 years, and I thank you for being here today for me and my family to get justice. It's out on air around Australia and all around the world. For single parent today shouldn't see what I've seen of the slow death of my son. My son's wife has taken over a packet of biscuits. I've heard from the guards and nurses that my son David died because they failed in their duty of care. I want to see change throughout the whole correction system and justice here, so no mother or family have to watch their loved one die the way I have had to. The way I had to repeatedly watch over these past 2 weeks. We're at the coroner's inquiry. I want all parties and people responsible to be held fully accountable and charges laid for my son's homicide. I'm incredibly upset and stressed along with my family here with me about the lengthy delay has taken to get us here today. I hoped and prayed for closure from this inquest, but now we have to wait another year in our fight for justice, and to again and hear all those responsible to tell me that they don't recall what happened to my son, and that's how far it is now. And well, as a mother, I will tell you all. In my words of a slow wait of my son's written death, put up into a document that is no good for no parent to wait till they write the death of my son. And I'm very lucky that I'm strong and I've got my family to be safe, supportive with me, and all my supporters, and all of you here too. And to get this around the world for never ever any parent again, all around the world in Australia. And to, in the loss of our sons, and it did open up wounds, and again, in which it's going to open up some more wounds in another year's time, and I thought it would have been at the end of this coroner's course today, but fortunately it's not going to be. It's going to be in another year. They're going to make me
government final
wait for answers and who's going to be accountable for the death of my son.
What are you going to be doing over the next year as you wait?